Hi class, I hope you guys can hear me okay. My name is Alois Ramirez. I'm trying to get myself in this frame here, I apologize. Not sure if that's working out too well. Okay, that didn't have to work there, I apologize. I'm trying to use it on a different device and it's not working. So, anyhow, my name is Alois Ramirez. Um, Currently my title is an intake for the county where I live, specifically with child abuse and child welfare. My first year of placement, it was also dealing with children. I was I was supervised visits, so a parenting time specialist, um, supervising visits between family members and their children once they've been removed from the home. Um, my experience working with families, what has my experience been working with families? Um, it's been great. I love working with children and with families. There are days, especially with taking um, being an intake in my current job, just having to listen to the abuse and neglect sometimes can be hard some days. But I love it. I love working with children. I love working with families. My experience in my field placement, I had a lot of face-to-face contact, a lot of time with families. I enjoyed that too because I really missed that face-to-face relationship, and I was there a lot during my first year internship. So my experience has been great in as far as what I've done as far as my placement and with my job. Um, the basic structure of the family systems in which I was raised. Um, I'd have to say just typical family, mom, dad, siblings. I was the youngest of my two siblings. So I was the baby and everybody was very protective of me. Mom and dad both worked out of the home, sometimes worked late days, so my older sister, was a year difference between her and I. She would be the caretaker of us when my parents were at work. Um, Typical Hispanic family. We helped around the house. We weren't old enough to get a job. We, worked and went to school. Mom and dad were authoritative figures in the home. Just typical Hispanic family structure. Um, the role in my family and how this may impact the role in working with clients. Um, when Throughout when I was younger and in my family, I was always like the mediator. Everybody would come to me with their problems. I never really had conflicts with my siblings. It was always my siblings having conflicts with one another. Um, Currently now, I'm still the mediator of my family, and with my immediate family, my partner, and my children, I'm also, I guess, the mediator. My bonus kids, I have stepkids. I have three bonus kids and my two biological children. One is a baby. As far as my biological children, I have a 1-year-old and a little girl who just turned 12 a couple of weeks ago. My bonus kids, we have a 12-year-old little girl and then a 9-year-old little girl and a 7-year-old little boy. So there's same age, but a lot of different dynamics in the family. Stepfather in the home. Um, my bonus kids, so biological siblings of each other, there's a lot of conflict within those three, so they always come to me to try to help them out with whatever is going on. So I still feel like I'm a savior of the family, the mediator of the family. Growing up, I experienced that, and my family, the same thing. Any burning questions I have about? Oh, I'm sorry. And then my impact, or the role I play with clients. I think that would impact my work with clients because I would still be seen as a savior, trying to find all the answers for people, solutions for what's going on. Any burning questions about family work? I've never actually done any type of family therapy. It's been more individual stuff. Um, Even in intake, I just mainly deal with one person out of the family. I was doing supervised visits. I was working with the family, but just observing them, not necessarily any type of therapeutic work it was more referrals and just observing the interactions. I couldn't really say anything as far as their interactions unless it was someone that was posing a risk for the children. I just want to be able to learn more about dealing with family therapy because there's so many different dynamics of each family member. That's all that I have for now. Thank you so much.